lot of you have been wondering or been looking for a very great scrub you can use on your face. In today's video, Trends got you covered. I'm going to be sharing with you guys, I'm giving my own review on a very mild facial scrub that is very amazing on the skin. So this is, for me, I've been using it for a while, and to me it's a go. Okay, it is super amazing, very mild on the skin, and doesn't leave your face greasy. Okay, it doesn't even leave your face dried because of the ingredient in it. So it is the tea tree facial scrub. This is it, guys. I'll be leaving the picture for you guys to see because I'm using front camera and I don't know if you guys can see it properly, but this is it. So this scrub is very mild, it is very gentle on the skin, and it is made with tea tree. So let's talk about tea tree first. So one fact you should know about tea tree oil is that tea tree oil is used when it comes for acne. So it's used for the treatment of acne. A lot of people with acne pimples, they always go for a product that contains tea tree, okay, to help prevent the acne and to help cure or heal it. Also, it helps with infection, skin infection. It helps to prevent or cure or treat skin infection. Another thing too, it helps to glow the skin. When your skin is flawless and free from bacteria and all that, your skin is actually going to start glowing. Another thing that this thing does is that it helps with skin cancer. Yes, this says skin cancer as well. I really don't know much about that, but you know, research shows that it helps to prevent skin cancer. Another reason why I love this scrub is because one, it's affordable. Guys, this is 1,500 or 1,700 for this scrub, and the scrub said you can use it daily. I would understand the reason why they say use it daily, because it is very mild, it is very, very gentle. See, this is how it is. And then it may feel greasy on the skin, but trust me, it doesn't make the skin feel oily. It's actually for, you know, for people that have excess oil on their skin. This is something you need to try, and it is for all skin types. So you know, if you're having oily skin, dry skin, any kind of skin, you should try out this one. It's suitable for all skin types, and it is very, very gentle. You can see it. It is very, very gentle on the skin. It also helps to prevent bacteria gotten from the environment, and again, it helps to reduce the appearance of red face. So this is something, if you're having red face, if you're thinking you don't like scrub, especially for those people that scrub cause red face to their skin, you should try out this one. I, for one, I've always said that some scrub actually make my face red, but since I've been using this one, my face has not been red. And then they say use it daily, okay, because it is really mild. It doesn't feel like you're using scrub on your face, because the granules or the grains inside is actually very, very mild. Like, it's not strong at all. You're not even going to realize that, you know, there's scrub on your face. So what you want to do is wash your face first, then apply this on your face, massage. A little goes a long way. Just massage it and leave it for like 5 minutes and wash off, okay? So yeah, even if you use this every day, it's going to still last you. This is not for body, it's for facial only. If you use this every day, it's going to last you for like maybe 2 months, depending on how. Like I said, you just need little. Little goes a long way for this stuff. So you just need to, yeah, it's big, guys. This is 250 ml. So, but for me, I would not say every day. You understand? I would always say 2 or 3 times in a week, because this one is mild. I'll say, yeah, 3 times in a week. Okay. So if you're looking for a facial scrub, something to just help your skin glow, remove acne, remove bacteria, remove pimples, because pimples build up as well is also gotten from bacteria on the skin, and these bacteria are gotten from the environment, and there are all other factors that can cause pimples on the skin. But one thing is bacteria, build up of bacteria can, you know, cause that, and this helps to reduce or remove skin infection, remove bacteria from the skin, clearing up the skin. So if you've not tried this before, try it out. If you've tried it, leave your comment down below so we can have a discussion on it. I always say I love when we have to discuss in the comment section, and your comments can as well help a person or two. Okay, it's a community. Let's build it up and let's talk. I hope this video was useful. If you liked this video yet, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
Tell my mama I'm sorry that I blame her for all the shit I know.